Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Word file is final and saved. This prevents version confusion. Open File and scan layout, headers, footers, images, and links so the PDF mirrors intent. Once done, remove hidden markup and accept track changes because they often appear in exports. Make sure embedded fonts are available or set to embed, otherwise formatting can shift. Save a backup copy now so you can retry without losing edits. You now choose the conversion method, export/create PDF or save as PDF. Both produce reliable results. Select standard for quality or minimum size for sharing, and enable bookmarks if your document has headings so navigation stays. Under Options, include document properties, embedded fonts, and set PDF/a for archival needs. If you need password protection, use encrypt options. Once configured, click Publish or Save, and wait for Word to complete the render. You finish by opening the new PDF and scanning each page for layout shifts, missing fonts, broken links, or altered images. If something looks wrong, make a controlled retry. Try Print to Microsoft Print to PDF or a third-party PDF printer, because render engines differ. Once done, compare file sizes and test links. A key troubleshooting tip: if fonts or objects disappear, embed fonts in Word or rasterize problem images. Then export again to preserve appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.